Welcome to Embedded World 2025 here in Nuremberg. Some of the hot topics again this year is robotics and artificial intelligence. So at the Aero booth, of course, we have a lot of focus and to show our capabilities within these two areas. Robotics is one of the fast-growing markets and something which is very interesting. And one of the cornerstones and key technologies in robotics are obviously the artificial intelligence. So I'm here with George and Sandeep at our first station we're going to look at today, which is a robotics station. So George, can you tell us a little bit more about what we are showcasing this year in the robotics area?
Yes, thanks, Martin. So often when we talk about robotics, people think about the really large static robots that you will find in industrial factories. However, today what we're really focused on and excited about is autonomous mobile robots. These are much smaller robots with AI processing in them to enable them to autonomously carry out actions. And this is a vastly growing area for us. So what we have on the stand today is we have both robots that have been developed by eInfochips, and also we have a customer one. So if I start with the customer one, it's really quite exciting because it's not one robot, but four. So each corner of this robot is its own, is a robot as in of itself with a single wheel. And so what that means is you can take each of these and you can put them under any structure you want. So you can have them close together, in which case you have a small robot, or really far apart. And it allows you to make any structure an autonomous moving robot. But for the details behind what the two robots that eInfochips have developed, I would like to hand over to Sandeep.
Thanks, George. So we are the product engineering services arm of Aero. And so we are capable of creating highly reliable AMRs that can navigate definitely from point A to point B in an industrial space, in a harsh industrial space. So our capabilities, I would classify them into like core robotics, which are about the algorithms, the VSLAM algorithms, and then perception. Perception is about how you collect data for navigating. That could be from cameras through the MIPI interface, the LiDAR, the ToF, or stereo depth cameras and that's about perception, and sensors, of course. A lot of sensors that go into determining an environment for the robot to traverse. And the third part is the design aspect and creating a robot for a customer. So these capabilities help us create highly reliable AMRs that can navigate the harshest of industrial spaces.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. Now, when we talk to customers, often one of the things they're really concerned about is how you know that the autonomy of an autonomous robot is safe. And so can you tell us a little bit about eInfochips' experience with functional safety?
Yeah, so functional safety is something that comes after we create a robot, the FUSA compliance for the robots that we could. So that is something we are very capable of doing for the end products. And the latest set of Qualcomm chipsets, our proof of concept is on a Qualcomm chipset. It's an out-of-box, I would say, reference design for a product maker in the robotics space to experience Qualcomm chipsets capabilities. And Qualcomm's latest set of processors, the IQ series, is FUSA compliant. So that makes it easier for us to create a product that is functional safety compliant.
And is this something eInfo have built from scratch? So yes. You basically developed everything from bottom up?
Yes. So we have done 3 iterations till now. We have had the Center of Excellence running for about 3 years now. So this is our 3rd iteration, and each time we iterate, we try to improve upon the electronics, make it smaller, make it lighter, make it more capable.
Yeah.
And that is more to bring out our capabilities of creating highly reliable AMRs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm a customer or an engineer or a company that want to, leverage your platform, what's the best way to get started? Or
the best way to get started is use our proof of concept. We have a reference design, which is just about. So this is the hardware that is inside the fully functional robot.
Yeah.
So you start with the capabilities of the software using the reference design, and then we help you create your product.
Thank you so much, guys. Very interesting. Thank you very much.